Hey guys, it is me, Stace. I am back today with a Saturday video. I'm actually doing two videos today. They will both be scrapbook layouts. I have not done one for the month of June or July, so I'm a tad bit behind. So the first one we're making is this one here. It is a Halloween layout. We're going to change it out to make it be a puppy layout, which will look like that one there. The second one we're doing, or the second video, looks like this one here. Really fun. I love all the colors. And we're going to change that one into that layout there. Let's go to the computer and we'll first get started on this one here. I'll come back with video number 2 for the second layout. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Alrighty, at the computer you want to go to design.cricut.com. You will see this screen. Enter in your email and your password. Click on sign in. When you see your name at the very top, this verifies that you were logged in. On this page you want to scroll down until you get to Cricut Access. Click on View All. Upper right hand corner where it says Cricut Access, you're going to click on that and then go down and click on Photo Memories. On this page we're going to scroll down until we find the October 31st layout, which is right there. It's called October 31st Spider Layout. Click on that, it'll bring up a preview window. Click on Customize. Alright, so we see the layout here, but this gray piece, if you click on it, you will notice it's not 12 by 12. So I'm going to change the size of that by going to the top toolbar. So now that's a true 12 by 12. This is my photo mat. I'm going to have that piece selected. Top toolbar again. I'm going to unlock the lock. Make this be 6.25 in width. And the height is going to be 4.25. Click on Enter. I'm going to right click on it again and choose Duplicate because I do need 2 photo mats. But I want to change the size of this one. Again, you want to unlock the lock. The width on this one's going to be 4.25 and the height will be 6.25. That's for my 2 photos. All right, so now we have all these pieces here. We're going to remove the title, remove the spiders. I'm going to bring these pieces over. Grab this white piece. I'm going to right click on that and choose Detach. Bring this over. I'm going to right click on that one and choose Move to Front. Take my left mouse button across all the spider pieces, all the spider webs, and delete those. Now what I want to add here instead are lizards and cats. So I'm going to go to my left hand side toolbar, click on Images, search box. I'm going to first type in the word cat, click on Enter. And the cat I chose is this one here, which is from the first few years. I'm going to click on that one. Again, top toolbar in that search box, I'm going to type in the word lizard. And the one I chose is this one down here. It has a snake next to it, and that is from Pet Shop. I'm going to click on that. Bottom right, insert images. All right, so we have our snake. I'm going to right click on that piece and choose Ungroup and remove the snake. Now I just have the lizard. Let's do the same for the cat. Right click on that and choose Ungroup. I just want the top piece, not the shadow. Make my cat be a little bit smaller. The lizard may be a little bit larger. Now I do want these to draw on this white piece. I'm going to have my lizard selected on the right hand side toolbar to be highlighted. I'm going to click on that and change that from cut to right and do the same for the cat. I'm going to click on my lizard. Again, that top toolbar on the far right, you will see a duplicate button. I'm going to click on that a few times to give me a few copies of that lizard and move him out of my way. Then we'll do the same for the cat. Again, go at top right, click on duplicate a few times. All right, now it's just a matter of placing these on the paper how we like them. So I'm going to first grab a cat. We're going to bring him up here, maybe rotate him a little bit. Let's grab a lizard. I'll bring that up. We'll do another cat over on this side, go in the opposite direction, just so you see his feet or his legs. Let's do a lizard right there. We'll do a cat here. So now it's just a matter of playing around with how you want the images. I think I'll just leave him right there. Let's grab a cat again. I think I'm going to put this one upside down. And you want to make sure you have these pieces go off your paper so it looks more like paper versus a pattern. I think we'll do just like that. Move this guy over some. probably squeeze in a little lizard tail down here. And maybe, let me see, I don't really like him there. Let me go that way. Maybe one right there. So I'll move the cat up a little bit. So like I said, just play around until they're how you like them. All right, so I think that looks pretty good. Now I'll just remove the pieces we didn't use. I'm going to take your left mouse button across all these pieces, right click on those and choose attach. That'll attach the marker to that piece there. Now I'm going to go over here and change my color. So my 12 by 12 piece, I want to make that be a cream color. We'll choose that one here. This purple piece will be black. My photo mats will also be a black color. Alrighty, so they are done. I'm going to bring my white piece over. Alright, so now we have the photo mat here. I'm going to right click on that and choose move to front so I can see how it looks. Do the same for this piece, right click and choose move to front. So I'll have one photo going that way and one photo going this way. Now I need to create the title. Left hand side toolbar, click on images. In the search box, I'm going to type in the word hunting. Now what I chose is this one here. It's from Outdoor Man. It says Hunting Buddies. I'm going to click on that. Bottom right, insert images. I'm going to bring these over. Now I can see there's green behind that. I want to make that green color be white. So I'm going to click on the green over here and make that be a white color. I'm going to right click on these and choose ungroup. So we have the top layer and the shadow. But you see when I right click on these, there's no option to ungroup. So I need to slice them. Left hand side toolbar, I'm going to click on shapes. Click on a square. And I'm just going to line the square with the bottom of one word, or covering one word. Unlock the lock, bring it over. I'm going to right click on it and choose duplicate. So I have a second one. Put that over there. Take my left mouse button across all these pieces, right click on that and choose slice. So I can move this out of my way and this one. So now I have two separate words here. Do the same for this one. Bring your square over, just covering one word. Take your mouse across both, right click and choose slice. I can move this one out of the way and that one. So now we have the two separate words. I want to put them on their pieces here. So I'm going to line it up, then group that together. So there's that one with the shadow. And do the same for this one. Lining up and then grouping it together. All right, so now we're going to bring our title down here on the bottom. And I think that's too big, so I'm going to resize them. I'm going to click on the word hunting first. Top toolbar, I'm going to click on the size. I'm leaving the lock locked. I'll make this be 1.4. Click on enter. Do the same for this one. 1.4. All right, so I think that looks pretty good. So now what I want to do is remove the 12 by 12 piece. I'll remove my two photo mats. I can use my Cricut to cut those out. Then we have the white piece, and then we have this piece here, black. I'm going to make this be an even size. Let me see that. We'll make this one be, let's try 9.25 in the width. Bring this over. All right, I'm going to unlock the lock on this black piece and make the width here be 8.25 and the height is going to be 9.25 and see if that fits. Yep, okay, so now I can use my trimmer to cut that piece out. All right, upper right hand corner, go ahead and click on make it. So we have this piece here. So even though this piece is small, you will need a full sheet of 12 by 12s to have the marker draw that out. We have our hunting buddies up here. I can use that like that to just use a scrap. And the other title here, just like that. I'm gonna go ahead and click on continue, cut these out with a table and put our layout. Alrighty guys, here we are with everything cut out. I went ahead and put this on the black piece, but it's not glued down. I'm just using a cream color for my 12 by 12 piece here. Alright, so first we're going to take the glue. I'm using art glitter glue. We're going to glue this piece down. And I think I might pop up the photos. Yeah, I like the cream with the black. I had a piece of brown here as well. I'm trying to figure out if I like the brown better. The brown's definitely darker. But I think with this being black, when these get layered, I think it's kind of hard to see. What do you guys think? I think it is. And I can just do it this way. I can just use the white part of it and leave it on the brown. I don't have to play with that. All right, so here's the photos. One is of Hardy, one is of Dinah. This is Dinah going under the neighbor's car to look for a cat. This is Hardy on our deck. You can see me there taking a picture of her. And there's actually a lizard up here. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. And then you can see on the shutter, her paw prints are up there. And I wanted to bring in some of the brown because of the house color and also the dirt. But I'm not really sure if I like it on the brown or the cream better. I think I'm kind of leaning toward the brown. Let's go back to the cream. All right, so this is the cream. I think this definitely pops on the cream. And I do like the text here that says Hunting Buddies. But even here, like I don't even need the white behind it. I could just do the black. I don't know. I think I'm going to go with the brown and eliminate this top layer. Let's do that. Let's bring the brown back over. All right, so that's going to go here. So it'll be brown, black, and white. All right, that'll go here, and I'll just use this word here. This shadow of it, I think that's still readable. I think it's actually a little bit more readable than the other one is. I'm just going to glue the photos on. All right, so that's going to get glued to this one. All right, and then we have Miss Dinah. Then I can kind of play with how I want the photos to be on here. All right, so I can put Harley up here by herself like that. I can put Dinah kind of down here. Nah, I think needs Dinah over there and Hardy kind of off of it a little bit. What do you think? I think that's sometimes the hardest part on how you're going to put the photos. They're kind of hard. You really can't put one on an angle. But I think because Dinah's so dark over here, we're going to go back to the original. Up here, maybe like that. So they're both kind of on the white. Okay, we're going to go with that. Hopefully. All right, let's glue this guy down first. Do you guys do that when you're making a layout? Do you second guess yourself all the time? I do for sure. All right, I could. Oh, see, I glued it. I could put that in the middle. All right, nope, I'm going to go back over here where I had it. Otherwise, I can't move it. All right, that's going to go there. And then we're going to have Miss Dinah up there, maybe on a little bit of angle. And Hardy coming down here. This way you can see more of the cats and the lizards. I don't know if I like that or not. I think, that's not too bad. Yeah, I can always put like another piece of paper here with the date, because there's no date on here anywhere. Oh, let's see, let me turn it. All right, we can do Hunting Buddies up here, like that. I think Hardy has to be the long way. I could do it like that. Kind of separate them. I wish you guys were here so you could tell me which way you like it best. That's not too bad this way. All right, let's try it the way we had it again. I'm going to get rid of the text part first. I definitely think Hardy needs to be on the long side of it. Like that. I think I'm going to go that way. All right, put Dinah more up there, Hardy here. Maybe like that. Oh my goodness. I have no idea what I'm going to do, guys. I kind of like Hardy kind of coming off of it, but I don't know if I like Dinah being so far up there. Bring Dinah down? No. I think Dinah definitely has to go on the square because that's the way the photo goes. Alright, let me turn it again just to see. I think here it kind of evens itself out because I can have the photos that way. And I could just do hunting buddies like that. You know, I think this kind of evens it out more. Oh, you're upside down. I could do it like that. So it's the same exact way. And just put the hunting buddies down here. I could put one this way and then one kind of down here so they're not so connected. I think we're going to go that route. All right, let's flip Dinah over. Let's grab our scissors. And we're going to glue these down. I'm going to put 4 of these in each corner. Hopefully I have enough here. So I have another layout video after this one. Alright, so maybe once they're popped up, we'll get a better idea of how they look. Alright. Alright, well I definitely like them popped up for sure. Alright, we're going to go that way, but I need to put one in the middle. Okay, so let's put one in the middle that way and then this way. Alright, I'm going to glue Hardy down first. Just give all that a good push. Okay. We're going to glue Dinah down first. So there's really no other place. Well, no, there's enough black. We got the black behind here and the black mats. Alright, so she's going to go in the middle. Hopefully that is straight. Okay, and then Hardy will go on the side here, kind of even with Dinah. Okay, so all we need to do now is glue our text down. And I need to unclog my glue. And again, I'm just putting a little bit of glue on it just to help hold it down because it'll go inside a sleeve. Alright, I think I'm going to put this on an angle. Just because everything else is straight. And this I don't need to worry about having it straight. Okay, and then this one will kind of go on an angle here. Okay, there it is, the finished layout. It took 20 minutes, but I think I do like it. I'm not sure if it needs anything. Like I said, I might put a piece of white up here just to kind of bring some white over there to date it, or I could just use a black marker and put the month here. Alright guys, there you have it. Today's layout. Any questions at all, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.